Hi, so today we are learning about CSS transition property. So what we will do is we'll come here and we have this basic button and we have this basic styling, border none, padding 10, 20 and background light blue, cursor pointer. So what we will do, if I go here in the button and hover state, and here I give it a background color of, like, let's say dark blue. So see, this is how it is looking right now. And one second, and I'll give the color of the text to be white. So it is looking like this right now. There is no transition over here. It is just changing it color. So to add transition, what I'll do is I'll add transition. I'll give it background color. We have to select which property we want to give the transition to. Background color. Next thing is I'll specify the duration 3 seconds, and then I'll specify this ease in. So let's see now how it is looking. See, it is there is a smooth transition, but it is too long, so it is 3 seconds. So I'll change it to 1 second. So this is how it is looking, more faster. So I'll do it 0.5 seconds. See, this is how it is looking. So this is all about CSS transition property.